Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the car safe. Disconnect the negative battery terminal and wait 2 minutes so airbags and electronics discharge. Once done, remove the lower knee panel, take out the 10 mm bolts and disengage the 1/2-inch snap clips while supporting the trim. Next, place a trim tool at the bottom of the center fascia and work outward evenly to unclip the retainers. This prevents cracked plastic. This first set of actions exposes the screws and connectors you'll remove in the next step. With the fascia off, you remove the steering column shroud, 4 screws, then tilt the column to gain clearance. Next, unfasten the instrument cluster bolts and slide the cluster forward carefully. You'll see 2 to 3 electrical harnesses and a single ground. Press each clip's release tab and withdraw connectors straight back to avoid bent pins. As you disconnect, label each plug and its matching screw location with tape. That simple step saves time and prevents miswiring during reassembly. Now you remove the remaining dash bolts, typically 10 mm or 12 mm, while a second person supports the dash to prevent sagging. Once bolts are out, disconnect HVAC ducts, speaker leads, and any ECU connectors before lifting the assembly straight out to avoid snagging. If the dash resists, stop and inspect behind the glove box, under the A-pillars, and beneath the windshield for hidden fasteners. Those are common missed points. Troubleshooting tip: if electrical faults appear after reinstall, recheck all.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.